Hi, welcome to Banana Crystal. In this video, I will be showing you how you can apply for your USD debit card on Banana Crystal website. However, if you have already applied for your USD debit card on our website before now and you have received your coupon code, do not worry. I will also show you how you can complete your application process. Let's get started. To apply for your USD debit card on Banana Crystal website, sign in into your dashboard. Once you sign in, at the left-hand side of the page, you will see the menu tabs. Click on USD debit card to proceed. Once you click on USD debit card, a drop-down menu will be highlighted. Click on Apply for a card to proceed. On this page, the 4 available types of USD debit cards are displayed. The application fee for these cards ranges from $400 to $1,120. The key difference between these cards lies in their monthly spending limits, giving you the freedom to select a card that matches your usage requirement. If this is your first time of applying for a card on Banana Crystal website, kindly click on Get Started on your preferred debit card to proceed. But if you have already applied for a USD debit card on Banana Crystal website before now, click on Redeem Coupon. Enter your coupon code and click on Redeem to proceed. Once you have redeemed your coupon, your card application fee should display is $0. Click on Get Started to continue with your card application. The next step is for you to enter your personal details. Enter how you want your name to appear on your card, and also ensure to enter your name exactly as it appears on your passport. Once you have entered these details, click on Next to proceed. On this page, provide your identification details, including a digital signature and a valid international passport. Please note that a passport is required as a part of the bank verification process to set up an offshore account for you, as you won't be able to apply for a card without it. Once you have entered your details, click on Next to continue. The next step is to enter your card mailing address. Enter the address where you want your card to be delivered to, and make sure it's a location where you will be available to receive and sign for the card when it arrives. The final step is for you to review your application details. Please ensure to confirm all details are entered correctly. Once you have reviewed this and discovered there are no errors in your details, click on Submit and ensure to confirm your application via the link sent to your mail. And kindly note that it takes 2 to 4 weeks for your card to be delivered to you. Thank you for choosing Banana Crystal.